Despite being separated by thousands of kilometers, Madagascar and Indonesia share a deep and long-standing connection, rooted in shared history, culture, and customs that remain strong in the Malagasy community. The growing interest among the Malagasy people in Indonesia has prompted the Indonesian embassy in Antananarivo to further strengthen bilateral ties between the two nations.
Madagascar, an island nation located off the southeastern coast of Africa, is renowned for its rich biodiversity and unique cultural heritage. Yet the relationship between Madagascar and Indonesia goes beyond mere geographic proximity. The migration of the Malagasy ancestors, many of whom came from what is now Indonesia, has formed the foundation of this enduring connection. Traces of Indonesian culture can still be seen in the Malagasy language, traditions, and daily life, creating an emotional bond between the two nations. Genetic research, led by Professor Herawati Sudoyo, has shown that ancestors of the Malagasy people originated from Indonesia, with the first settlers likely arriving around 1,200 years ago, possibly led by a small group of Indonesian women. Today, the Malagasy people continue to be taught that their ancestors came from Indonesia, and their curiosity about the country is growing, particularly through the learning of the Indonesian language. This interest is actively supported by the Indonesian embassy in Antananarivo, which offers Indonesian language courses based on the PIPA curriculum. One of the language teachers explains that for the Malagasy, learning Indonesian is relatively easy due to the many shared words and similarities between the two languages.
Bahasa Malagasy itu mirip dengan bahasa Indonesia. Kalau kita lihat dari sejarahnya, karena nenek moyang orang Madagaskar itu orang Indonesia, jadi ya masih banyak tertinggal, bisa dikatakan. Masih banyak tertinggal bahasa Malagasy yang mirip dengan bahasa Indonesia. Ya, baik itu secara kata itu sendiri maupun struktur daripada bahasa Malagasy.
The younger generation in Madagascar is increasingly drawn to Indonesia, with many turning to scholarship programs like Dharma Siswa and KNB, Kemitraan Negara Berkembang. These initiatives offer Malagasy students opportunities to study in Indonesia while deepening their understanding of its diverse cultures. Cultural and educational exchange between Indonesia and Madagascar are not only a bridge to the past, but also a foundation for future cooperation. Through the initiatives of the Indonesian embassy in Antananarivo, both nations are taking significant steps toward building a stronger long-term partnership.